Jacob, Jane, Maris, maaaring ito na ang huling gabi ng isa sa inyo. Awitin niyo na ang inyong handog para sa inyong mga kasamahan.
Okay po. Game?
Ready? And go.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside the door. I hate to take you up and say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking this early morning.
The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn already. I'm so lonesome I could cry.
So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that